By 17, I was lip reading. Didn't know it. And it's just been a long downhill slide. I'm deaf now. My name is Lee. I've had a ClearCaptions phone for a little over 4 years. I wish I could tell you how I got in touch with ClearCaptions. I don't remember now, but I was aware of advertisements, reading here and there, and of course being of hearing impaired, I was very interested, and that got my attention. And the ClearCaptions representative got in touch with me. When she came out, she showed she was really very knowledgeable about the phones and everything, and gave me good advice on how I should go about using the equipment. If I ever had a question, give me a call. In terms of independence, ClearCaptions Phone has given me my independence back. Anytime I can understand what is said on the other side via ClearCaptions, I can communicate. It's nice not to have to depend on someone to do everything for you where there's communication involved. I've had my ClearCaptions phone within a year, I would say, but it's made a noticeable improvement in my connections with people that I've really, it's been a boon to me, and I can say that for sure. Having the captions on the screen is something, if you've not been able to talk on the phone, if you've not been able to hear, having the closed caption on the screen has helped immeasurably. It's always good to be able to talk to folks and to know what they're saying by using the ClearCaptions. When I talk to other folks who are hearing impaired, and there are a lot of folks where I live who are hearing impaired, I have recommended that they get a ClearCaptions phone because it's helped me so much, and I know it will help them.